Science Basics series on this channel, I show you how to use one of these, a light microscope. So you might want to watch that video before watching this one, because here I'm going to show you how to make your own microscope slide called a wet mount. And the best tissue to look at, set up as a wet mount, down the light microscope, is onion tissue. So here is my piece of onion, and as you know, onions have layers. So I just want to pick one of those layers off. Now, the bit that I'm interested in is the skin on the inner part of the layer here. And you need to peel that off. It's best if you have long nails for this, or otherwise you can just snap it back, just like that. And hopefully it should break in a way that I can now peel off the skin. And that's exactly what I want to look at down the light microscope. So this is a little bit too big for the slide. So I'm just going to bring my knife back and very carefully just chop it in half. Now, I need to get rid of the tile. Get a clean slide. And I'm going to put my specimen, the onion cells, in the very middle. And I'm going to make sure that it's flat and there are no creases and it's not folded in on itself. Now, you can look at it down the microscope like this, but unfortunately the cells are translucent and you're going to struggle to be able to see them properly. So I'm going to add a stain, and my stain is called iodine, and it will turn the cells a little bit of a brown colour so I'm able to see them clearer. Now, if you are going to use iodine, please remember to use eye protection because you do not want to get this stuff in your eyes. You only need 1 drop. There we go. And on top, you need what's called a cover slip. And the cover slip is a very thin piece of glass that just protects the objective lenses from the light microscope from getting dirty or wet. You put that on top of your specimen very carefully. Put the side down first and then lower the rest gently and press down if you have any air bubbles. If you have any solution leak out the side, just take some tissue and wipe it. And there you have a tissue from an onion cell stained, ready to look at down a microscope. And here are my onion cells on ×100 magnification. Looking pretty good.